We're at the new Copper Basin Wastewater Plant. The Copper Basin plant was brought online February 16th at a reduced flow rate, and then about 1.1 to 1.2 million by the end of the year.
The amount of technology and infrastructure that they put into this facility is not only going to help us today, but into the future for the next 10, 15 years.
The goal is to effectively treat wastewater for the Santan community, so that water can be used to replenish the aquifer, or it can be reused in some of the local farms for irrigation water.
It's now able to go back into the aquifer is majorly big. Johnson Utilities, as long as they were out here, never ever had the effluent water at the level that it needed to be to recharge back into the system, back into our aquifer. Johnson Utilities actually purchased this property over 20 years ago, and their intent and purpose behind it was to do this.
It's at a low spot in this region, and it drains a lot of the surrounding area.
For those many years that they didn't get it done, and then all the growth and everything that took place, and then at one point during 2017 and 18, and we started having overflows, we were actually operating under third world conditions here.
Obviously the stories that you guys have all heard, sewer flowing in the streets, low water pressure issues. We've worked hard over the last 6 years to correct a lot of those issues, and happy to report that we've been successful in doing that. And I commit to you that we'll continue to find those things and resolve them.
At some point they're going to be shifting all the sewer to be treated right here in this facility for multiple homes to come, for what's currently here they're going to ultimately shut down Section 11.
Section 11 is a lagoon-style wastewater plant. It's an old, outdated process. This facility will be the direct replacement for Section 11.
When we walked up, and the odors here, there's none. No odors. This is a state-of-the-art system that hasn't been in this area, never.
We use this room to analyze the process on a daily and maybe even hourly basis. The purpose of the lab is to check turbidity, check chlorine residuals, inspect our biology. We want to understand where our biology is at in their 30-day life cycle. We can check the weight, we can check the population density, but all these checks is to verify that the wastewater process is working correctly. We also build a training room for Copper Basin where we not only just teach an operator to pass a certification qualification, but we teach them how to pull the levers and push the buttons to do the day-to-day work that really brings value to an organization like EPCOR.
For every area that's in a desert, this type of facility it's imperative in order to be able to move forward in a positive way. And that's what EPCOR's done here.